All right, guys, you already know how we do it, right? Um, so I'll be showing you the pairs that I personally am looking forward to trading, and as you can see, I've splitted. These are the pairs that I went through. You know, um, all these ones are JPY pairs. This last one here at the bottom, they are JPY pairs. These ones are Euro pairs, Euro crosses, while these ones are USD cross pairs, including the dollar index. All right. So these ones that I separated at this up here, watch. Those are the three that I actually saw potential, to actually make us a lot of money this year. And the first on my list is USD CHF. That is US dollar against Swiss francs, right? USD CHF. So I saw a formation. I saw a formation. The market has been on a very, very strong downtrend, as you can see, and it's still on a downtrend because it has not broken this particular this particular resistance turn support turn resistance. And mind you, we are on a weekly time frame, right? We're on a week what's it called we're on a weekly time frame, right? So as long as it has not broken this yellow line to the upside, I'm not sure it's ready to actually change direction. But I am seeing a very, very strong potential pullback to this zone. Probably it wants to reverse, but trust me, the market made a double bottom here, right? It made a double bottom, as you can see. It made a double bottom, gave us our W pattern, and mind you, W pattern or double bottom is a reversal. What is a reversal pattern? So when it gave us this, that was when I began to look at it. Although when I looked left in the past, you can see that truly there is a level in that place. That's why you always look left. Okay, so it's a strong level. Imagine the reversal that this was definitely news. I think it was around 2015. This push to the downside here, this particular sharp candle that you are seeing that came down like this, it's actually news. You can see how the market reversed from that point to tell you that that point is a very, very strong level, and the market could not break below it, right? And now it has come after almost 9 years. It has come back to test that level. Imagine 2015, yeah, right? This 2015, this place. Where is that line? Sorry, I'm actually using my tablet, so navigation is not very easy. Okay, so from this point, 2015, down to the current place where we are now in the market, that's a lot of time, right? 2015 till 2025, that's almost 10 years. So the market has come back to that level. It came back 2024, as you can see, around August or so. It came back in 2024 at that level and still could not break it. And now it came back to give us another one with a bullish engulfing. Do you see how I analyze my chart? Double bottom. Look at the bullish engulfing here. Where is that guy? Look at it. You can see that bullish engulfing candle. Let me delete all these things so you don't get confused, right? Please, we're gonna take our time with this video so that we get the best, right? We get the best. So I'm looking forward to trading this guy long term, long term. I might not even TP maybe till June or something because it's going to go up. Now, apart from the confirmation of the double bottom, which is very, very clear, everybody can see it, and my bullish engulfing, very clear also, everybody can see it, right? Look at it. This particular green candle here that covered the previous red. Nice bullish engulfing, right? Then it pushed above this support, came back to retest it with another bullish engulfing, I have so many confirmations. Remember my teaching. Don't take a trade until you have every reason not to take it. You check, 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 and the market is not giving you any reason not to take the trade. Then that is your trade. Do you understand? So the market has given me so many confirmations. It broke above it, came back to retest it, broke above another trend line that I just got from this place. Look at it. Look at this trend line. Do you see that trend line? This one. Do you see? So there is a clean break and retest twice in that area. Clean break and retest two times. So I think the market is ready to rally up to the next resistance. To the next resistance. So I'm looking to trade this guy long term. Remember, I'm a swing trader, and this is weekly time frame. So be very very careful when you want to place your stop losses. That's why you can see my stop loss is a bit huge. I'll just be using a small lot size. You get the goal is to make profit. It's not to be rich overnight. Even if I make $500 from this throughout this year, is something, right? If I make 1,000, is something. You always take trades according to your account size, not nothing else. Are you it together? Okay. So this trade is looking very promising, guys. If you go to monthly, it's the same thing he's saying. Weekly is on weekly. I actually got the entry, right? So on weekly, I actually got the entry. Yeah, you can see the break and retest is clearer on what's it called on daily. It's clearer. The break and retest of this particular orange level, and then the trend line. It's clearer. Yeah. So you can actually tighten your stop loss to this point, but I personally would love to leave it like this. So as soon as the market opens this week, I will hop in for a buy and hold it. Mind you, it's a swing trade, so at least this trade should take not less than two months to hit TP. 2 months to hit TP. Our stop loss is 190 pips, but TP is almost 1,000 pips. That's about ratio 1:5. Yeah, as you can see, ratio 4.78. So that's roughly ratio 1:5. If this stop loss holds, right? But I will have been very, very comfortable bringing it down here because I know the market will not get to that point. I'm telling you, I'm telling you for free. The market will definitely reverse, you know, maybe take us down a little bit. This is something like this. Yeah. So that is one. The second one is USD, which I already am in and I'm in profit already. Though I entered very late. I saw the setup, but I entered very, very late. As soon as it broke this counter trend line, I should have hopped in because it went back to retest it. I should have hopped in around here. I actually saw it very late, you know, and I would have been in crazy profit by now. This is what is actually supposed to play out, right? Because from a monthly perspective, let me take it to monthly. You can see the market was on a serious downtrend, and then it came down, gave us this long sell, then pulled back to our Fibonacci level, and that was where we got the entry. And I announced in my group, I told them that the XY is going up because I checked the XY and I saw a bullish formation. Let's go there quickly. You can see a nice bullish formation, the same setup. Pull out your Fibonacci from swing low to swing high, and then you see a very, very nice bullish formation. Did you see that? Pulled into our 50% and 61.8 level. And then that's why I know this guy was going to rally to the upside. And I announced it. I told them, this thing, swing trading is so. I don't even know what to say. You see the overall direction of the market ahead. You are like a prophet. You can tell them, bro, in the next 1 year, this is where this market is going. You can see. So no matter the sales you get on any USD cross pair, just know that USD is going up until it completes this 100% retracement level. Don't sell any USD pair that is like USD JPY and all that and USD card. Please don't sell. You buy them. you buy them. And I will still confirm that with you from my USD CHF. You will see what I'm talking about. So now that we've confirmed that the XY is rallying to the upside at least for the next 1 or 2 months, let's go back to our charts. I think we were on Euro USD. Yeah. So that was how I caught. You can see the how clean the entry is on monthly. Bro, swing trading is the best. You just set this thing and go and sleep. After 2 months, you come and cash out. No time. I'm telling you, swing trading is just the best. It's just the best, guys. So that is that. Euro USD is selling. GBP USD is selling. AUD USD is selling. Any cross USD pair, especially the major pairs, which is GBP USD, AUD USD, and Euro USD, they are selling by the grace of God. So we are going to hold that till maybe February. I'm already in profit, like I told you. Although I entered very late, you can see I entered very, 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 very late. I spotted my entry on weekly and daily. Yeah, I spotted my entry on weekly and daily. So definitely I'm gonna hold that till TP. Okay. So the next whoa, okay. The next is Euro CHF. Am I right? Am I right? Is it have we done Euro CHF? Okay, yeah. We did Euro CHF. We did Euro CHF. It's the one I told you. Okay, no, we've not. Okay, so I spotted this double bottom too on Euro CHF. Okay, I spotted this double bottom. And guess what? That's the lowest the market has ever come to. And then it's reacting. Okay. I didn't it broke below it, I wouldn't be interested. But the market is reacting nicely at that double bottom. And it has broken my counter trend line. So I'm looking to short this guy to the upside. Right? I'm looking to short this guy to the upside. To long, sorry. I'm just looking at the trade that I took on my MT5 and then I closed too early. Now it has hit TP. Oh, no problem. At all, I ain't bad. Okay, so um, this is the third pair I'm looking at for currency pair, and I'm trusting that only these three pairs, at least, even if one should go our way, no matter the losses we make on the rest, it will cover them. That's the whole idea. Okay, so even if the rest does not go your way, as long as these ones go your way, you're fine. You're just fine. Okay, so um, so those are the three pairs. Let's go over them again. Euro CHF, I'll be buying. Euro USD selling. USD CHF is also buying massively. In fact, that's the number one on my list. That this is the one that has like 85% probability to play out with Euro USD. You know, it's opposite. So as USD is buying, as USD is buying, Euro USD is selling. Yeah. So those two are there's guarantee. It's only this one that might play out, maybe break even or something, or we take it hit our TP1 or something, or even hit TP2. But I have confidence. That is it, guys. So 77721. Okay. Now let's go to synthetics. Synthetic indices. Okay. So look at this one that is on my screen. I'm multi-step 4. I see this guy going very far, going very, very far. Remember, this is also a very high time frame. Let me go to, yeah, it has broken that support, this support that I drew here. This was the support I was waiting for it to break, and now it has done justice to that yellow support, and I think is heading to somewhere around here because it has broken the trend line and it has broken support. So you can hop in and hold. It's a swing trade and it's very volatile. Please trade with caution. I was actually looking at VIX 100, but it has been very, really unstable. VIX 152 is selling. You can see I'm in the trade. It's selling up to the next support down there. So if you can join, it still has a few days to go. Then step two, it has refused to break the support for weeks to the upside, and it's on my Fibonacci level. So I'm just watching it. I need this candle that is forming now to close bearish, if possible, to engulf that former, that blue one you're seeing. Sorry, I can't really use my screen because of it's a touch screen, and I'm not too comfortable using it with MT5. You know, yeah, that place there. I want that red candle that is forming now to engulf the green one to the downside. Then I'm going to ride this bad boy massively because this guy, this guy wants to sell. It has been on a downtrend like forever. If you know step index, look at it, weekly. Remember what I told you on one of my videos? Imagine that the Holy Spirit tells you to sell step index just around this place that I drew this yellow line now. After it hit this support and began to drop. If you put your Fibonacci here, you will see that it also gave you a very nice level there. Can you see? Can you see that? Imagine that you sold from here. You will be a multi-millionaire by now. This is weekly time frame. I should use my, what's it called? Let me quickly do something. Let me do something. Sorry. Let me use my MT5 to check. If you had sold at that point that I marked with the lowest lot size, what will you have now? That's what I want to check. You sold here, right? All you will be having now. Presently, you'll be in $1,700 profit from the point I drew this Fibonacci, right? From this point up to where the market is now, you'll be in crazy profit. Okay, so that's what I'm talking about from this point, from this place. If you are sold to this place, you'll be having close to $2,000 with the lowest lot size. $2,000 now is almost, if not close to 4 million. I beg, how many years will you work to earn 4 million naira? Okay, today is 1,600 times 1,700. That's 2.7 million. Okay, 2.7 million divided by 12 months. That's 225,000 per month. That's 200. That's even if it's a year, 225,000. So just imagine making this kind of passive income. Trading is the real deal, guys. So those are the pairs that I'm looking for presently. This multi-step 4, I'm hoping to ride it because it has serious potentials. You can see how it bounced. I really wish I can use my mouse. You can see how it bounced off. Sorry, I'm trying to draw a line. I'm not with my mouse. You can see how it bounced off this level. Gave us a first leg, came back, gave us a second leg, then pushed up, right? On a support level, very, very strong support. Okay. So that is why I'm really, really, really looking forward to longing this guy. Although the stop loss is huge, but hopefully it doesn't take us out. Okay, so that is what I'm looking at, and I hope that you join me. Just step index and multi-step 4 for now, and this one is already in profit. So let's look at step, especially. Let's look at step. Look at how many times it has tested that support and it has been unable to break it. So there is hope. There is hope that step is going to sell. But if it breaks that support to the upside, they will just close it. So let's keep watching step, and the multi-step is our what's it called? Is our gold mine for this first quarter of the year, first 3 months. So let's look at that. No hurry. I've told you before, we will be only taking sorry, we will only be taking high probability trades this year. High probability, and I will have to look for the setups from a higher time frame to predict the overall direction of the market. Okay, to predict the overall direction of the market, you can see how I spotted these entries on the multi-step. It has been on a serious downtrend, and that's the lowest the market has gone to, and it's reacting. So I know it's going to buy. I know it's going to buy. So let's keep holding and trust that God will do us good. Remember to always break even and lock profits. Secure your profits, secure your capital. Sorry. It's better you don't make anything than for you to lose your capital. Yeah. Not trading is trading. Protect your capital at all cost. And God will help you. And He will help me too. So take care of yourself and rewatch the video again. Do the analysis on those pairs that I told you and the indices so that we'll know where we are going this year. Because that's what I'll be looking out for this year. Except the setups are invalidated and I'll start looking at other charts. I don't want to really, disturb myself looking for setup where there's no setup. Except I see something else. Okay. All right. So thank you guys and God bless you. Take care of yourself and have a wonderful new year. The Lord will do us good in Jesus' name. So take care. Wow, look at it. Looking so nice. Looking so nice. Looking so nice. Yeah. So my next level target is here. Let me put another TP here. I'll be going in with two positions. Yes. So this TP1, TP2. All right, guys. Have a nice day. Take care.